This is a base that I made. I will use beautiful Lisianthus to complete my design. The base is wires that I connect to each other to give like a water drop shape. So for this frame, it's a bit different from traditional bouquets because I have to cut my stem first before finishing the placement. So I have to make sure that the length of the stem is long enough or not too short to make sure that it fits with the design. It's a mix of three different Lisianthus. So I use the Terracotta, I use the Alisa White and the Alisa Champagne. And then I will place my flowers all around the frame, through the wires, next to the feather, just to make it a little bit more complete, more compact. We can use always the same technique, but in a different shape, and that helps to be more and more creative. Be patient, don't go too fast. Make sure that your frame is very stable from the beginning, so then they can focus on the flowers. But if the frame is not stable by itself, it will be very, very complicated. They can make longer, but they have to get long stems, of course. So that's why I make it not too long, so I can use a lot of small pieces of Lisianthus. So we can use like with the leftover that we have, or other small flowers as well. But I think we need to find the right balance in the height of the frame. So as I have like a high frame by himself, so I have 1 feet just to make it a little bit lighter